Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bacon ribs, step by step. First, choose a high-quality rack of pork belly ribs, ideally thick cut for the best results. Next, carefully remove the thin membrane from the bone side. This allows your seasoning to penetrate deeper and improves tenderness. Finally, apply your favorite dry rub generously, ensuring every inch of the ribs is coated for maximum flavor. Now let's get those ribs cooking. Preheat your smoker or oven to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, aiming for consistent indirect heat. Place the seasoned ribs bone side down and smoke them for 3 hours, spritzing with apple cider vinegar every 45 minutes to keep them moist. After 3 hours, wrap the ribs tightly in foil with a splash of apple juice or broth, then return them to cook for 2 more hours. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please consider subscribing and giving it a like. And on another note, after all that delicious cooking, who wants to clean? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. Check the description for the link and other fantastic deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Almost there. Carefully unwrap the ribs and generously brush them with your preferred barbecue sauce. Return them to the smoker or oven for another 30 to 60 minutes, allowing the sauce to caramelize and set beautifully. Once glazed, remove the ribs and let them rest for about 15 minutes. This crucial step ensures the juices redistribute, making them incredibly tender and flavorful before you slice and serve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.